offline, it's like, okay, with the gut-brain axis, we're talking about this, big bidirectional organ system of the enteric nerve system and central nervous system communicating with each other through these three major pathways. But then if we zoom in further and recognize, well, even those enterocytes in the gut epithelium are going to be packed with mitochondria. And if those are dysfunctional, that contributes to the hyperpermeability. And then as we have that translocation of all the endotoxins and exotoxins and mycotoxins and other PAMPs and antigens that drive more of an oxidative and inflammatory response. I really liked what you said earlier about oxidative stress and inflammation, because I always describe those as kind of like the two great plagues of the human metabolism, right? And they perpetuate one another. Oxidative stress drives inflammation and vice versa. So it can be that sort of pathophysiological vicious cycle. And this is where I think a lot of times my clinical priorities when starting out with a new client, if we can get the gut-brain axis and gut health on point, obviously build up the microbiota diversity and get those postbiotics that can have a beneficial effect on the mitochondria, but also vice versa. If we can kind of shotgun some of the mitochondrial nutrients, that'll also support the healing of the blood-brain barrier and the intestinal barrier and make all of those tissues and cells that constitute the gut-brain axis more functional and back online.